Do you want to make your own props and costumes but don't know where to start? Do you want to share your love for cosplay but don't have the right shirt? Don't you wish you had something to pour your coffee into? Do you wish you had a better way to track progress on your cosplay projects? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then we have some incredible news and bargains for you! Starting to learn how to make foam props and costumes can be difficult and challenging. That's why we wrote the definitive guide, the Foamsmith series, just for you. The Foamsmith books contain everything you need to know to get started making stunning works of prop and costume art. We've sold thousands of copies of our knowledge-laden Foamsmith tutorial books for just $30 each, but if you head to punishprops.com this Black Friday, you'll get yours for just $25. And for the ultimate bargain, grab our exclusive Black Friday bundle. This includes both Foamsmith books, a Foamsmith pencil, and 3 of our brand new Cosplay companion notebooks, all for just $55. Plus, every print book order comes with a free random bookmark. This bundle is the perfect treat for yourself or an incredibly thoughtful gift for that special cosplayer in your life. All of our Punish Props digital content is also heavily discounted by a whopping 40%. Get your hands on our Foamsmith eBooks, digital patterns, premium videos, and 3D printing files at a staggeringly low price. Normal black t-shirts are dull and boring. Spruce up your wardrobe with a Punish Props Academy shirt, Foamsmith shirt, or our Stealth Maker shirt, available in unisex and scoop neck styles. It sure is getting cold here in Seattle. It's a good thing Bill picked up his own Punish Props Academy hooded sweatshirt. For a limited time, we're offering this one-of-a-kind cosplayer holiday shirt in a variety of festive colors. If you really dig that holiday spirit, get your hands on our new holiday mug, also available with our timeless Punish Props Academy logo. Never be forced to lick your coffee off a table again. Tracking your progress on a complicated costume build can be tedious and messy. Not anymore with our new Cosplay Companion Notebook. Keep all of your relevant build information in one handy place for each of your costumes. Pick up one today for just $4.99 or get a 5-pack for an insane $16.99. Finally, we're pleased to announce these fantastic Punish Props Academy logo enamel pins. Perfect for your jacket, bag, or hat. Also in the store, we have these adorable cosplay character stickers of Bill and Britt, as well as some vinyl stickers to decorate your toolbox, cosplay repair kit, or even your car. Don't miss these staggering deals from punishprops.com this Black Friday. Whether you want to level up your own cosplay, display your passion with style, or get that perfect gift for the cosplayer in your life, we've got what you need. Here's how to order. The first batch of orders gets an extremely limited free Punish Props vintage sticker. Supplies are limited, so act now.